Hey guys, welcome back. DeFi, degens, drip, and farm for poverty. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all Forex Shark related projects. And today's video, we're going to cover how the community truly reacted to the delay. And I think you're going to find that surprising. So let's jump right into it, try to make this video short. So as you all know, follow my content, or you were waiting up last night, you were hoping the animal farm launched, and then there was a delay. As of this video right now, there's 4 hours. I'll have this out before this timer hits 0, and you can take a look at this. But there was a lot of negative sentiment, or people upset, and rightfully so. Some people took off work, they're planning all this stuff, that and the other, right? But the way I actually evaluate all these things and kind of keep my emotions in check is, you all know I started this channel, and literally my name is Drip Coach, and it's all about drip. So that got me to thinking. It's like, well, how is the community as a whole really responding to these delays? And the best way to determine the community response, to me, is to look at drip, because that clearly tells you if people have lost faith or not. This is the backbone. And as of last night, there was now within about 24 hours, a lot of buy pressure in drip. We were down at below 6 from 571 last night, and jumped all the way up to 650. I think I even saw a little bit higher than that, depending on where you were at. And I decided to kind of copy over a lot of the buys. So there was a lot of money flowing in the drip. $58,000, $5,000, $6,000, 486 drip, almost 550 drip, 1,300 drip, 800 drip, 8,000 drip, 900 drip. So just 28,000, a lot of big buys. And we don't know if these are whales or whoever, but here's something else interesting I'm going to show you. 8,000 drip. So you just scroll through. I just filtered out the ones that came basically in the last 24 hours. So for some odd reason, people were buying drip last night during these delays. And look at the accounts. So from the 16th, we had the 17th. So literally since this marketing campaign, if you will, we bounced around down here, 200, 155 on a low. But for some odd reason, we've now doubled our average, 382 as of yesterday. So that is impressive. Like, new people are actually joining drip. Now, that being said, that's how I price in or determine if the news was negative or positive. And to me, it's actually positive, because no one sold off. Now, reference the sell-offs. You guys know I keep it real on this channel, and we can take a look at what is happening to the drip tax vault. And this is why I keep telling you guys we are not going to see a pump. So as you all know, there's 1.6 million drip. Yes, some of that will be locked up, but it's not locked. Hold on. It's not locked because even if people pair it and put it over here in the Drip USD LP farm, they still have access to it. They can get in here, take the 1% hit to pull it out, and then go ahead and break the LP apart and sell it. And yes, even though as of this video, the farms are still paused, the point is, or the proof is in the pudding, so to speak, with the vault. So what happened last night, or the last 24 hours, we went from 23 drip tokens in the tax vault all the way up to 12,886. So 12,800 drip tokens added to the tax vault based on all those buys coming from the drip BNB. I showed you that from the drip bot in Telegram, right? So all these people bought drip, and when they buy drip, remember, it adds a portion of that to the tax vault, and it lowers the drip supply, which we have here. So we went down. Let me zoom in. Just a quick message, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video. This helps bring brand awareness to the channel, as well as all Forex Shark related projects. Thank you. So we went down from our initial supply at the top of October 16th from 360,000 in the drip supply, and we took out about 3,000 drip in total as of this video in reference to the drip supply, and that caused a increase in the price. So we already saw that. But what I'm getting at is that people will continue to eat up those that increase or decrease in drip supply or increase in the tax vault. That's going to always get taken out, especially people with max wallets, and they're going to look to sell some of that anytime we get a pump. And I showed you guys in a previous video that it would take about 100,000 drip to be purchased just to get to about that $8 to $9 level. And there is still 1.6 million drip circulating around. So even if we sell 100,000 drip tokens, someone can easily eat that up. So until this starts to go down, or the borrow and lending comes in, or there's even more incentive to put this back into the tax vault. Ray talked about this as well. Put it back into the faucet, playing the layer 2 and trying to win the lottery every day. Basically expect us to bounce around these levels. My new projection, $7. That's going to be like our high. We can jump right past that for sure. I'm not doubting that, but it's going to get eaten up. We're not going to maintain any of these levels. I don't even think now, being realistic, we're not going to maintain any levels in the double digits. So just want to keep you guys real on my channel. And again, not FUD, this is actually good. If we can bounce around these levels, it's not a big deal. The bear market is here. We got lower to go. So the fact that the whales are not selling off and are just kind of chipping away, keeping it bouncing around in these levels is actually a good thing. If they dumped all this, then that would not look so good. But you got to keep that in mind, that this will affect the price until it comes down to like normal levels. It's literally 5 times higher than what's available in the drip supply on the actual native DEX. So that's all I wanted to show you guys on that. This is a drip garden, so that has continued to take a hit. We will not see this reverse until the farms are unpaused and they've been running smoothly for a week or two. So I believe there will be some big money coming in. Even Ray mentioned this in his live stream, that people like him and other people he talked to that are whales are waiting to see where the dust settles and what people are doing. We've already seen the PIGGY tokens sell off, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. So there's going to be a lot of volatility, and you're not going to see things flatten out until at least 3 to 7 days of the farm just running without hiccups. So let's wait and see how that plays out. But the whole point of this video is that I think the news was kind of bullish. And one other thing is this new drip faucet calculator. I had never seen this before. I think this is pretty freaking awesome. He includes basically a way to, let me actually sign back in. I did this already. Faucet calculator, to really like track your profits and strategy. I've never seen this part of the calculator before. I remember looking at it. I think it's part of the paid, but it looks like it's been updated because I definitely don't remember this. So there's some really neat features in here. And it looks like it also kind of replicates the Kelly Snook Excel Google Sheet calculator, where it's literally showing you play by play, day by day, what your claims will be with your strategy that you pick. It uses the existing price you can pull in. You can apply team rewards if you have team rewards, and you can forecast this out. This is really, really robust. I was impressed and just kind of stumbled across it. So just want to shout out, I forgot his name, but dripnetwork.ca calculator. Definitely look this up. There's so many cool tools in our community. There's those MacDross Dev. So this one I thought was really neat to show stuff like that, because I was using the Kelly Snook and drip.formulate, and looks like he's added some of that in here. And I believe his is the only one that factors in the team rewards that I've seen like this. So if you're building a team, this is definitely something to do. And it even adds a dollar cost average kind of hydration schedule. So that is pretty cool to see. So just wanted to show you guys that and take a look at that. So yeah, keep this video short. Hope it provides some value. You know the drill. If you found it valuable, HBO special, help a brother out. Hit that like, subscribe, and until next time, guys, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See you.